Chrome is officially out and stealth mode is in. Meet the all-new 2026 Ram 1500 Laramie Night Edition, the perfect fusion of aggressive street styling and luxurious capability. Ditching traditional bright work for sleek gloss black accents, an aggressive sport performance hood, and massive 22-inch black alloy wheels, this half-ton truck drops the V8 in favor of twin-turbocharged Hurricane Inline-6 power. Welcome back to DRX Automobi. Today, we are breaking down its dark exterior treatment, twin-turbo performance, and ultra-high-tech cabin. The Night Edition package transforms the traditional mid-spec Laramie into an intimidating street truck. Gone are the chrome grille, mirror caps, and door handles, replaced entirely with gloss black trim. Up top, the sculpted power bulge, sport performance hood gives it an aggressive stance inspired by the TRX, while 22-inch forged black wheels fill out the body color fender flares. Out back, you get dark-tinted tail lamps, dual black exhaust tips, and optional integrated Ram box bed storage. Under the hood, the iconic Hemi V8 has made way for Stellantis's advanced 3.0-liter twin-turbo Hurricane Inline-6 engine. In standard output form, it delivers a massive 420 horsepower and 469 lb-ft of torque, outperforming the old 5.7L V8 in both power and fuel efficiency. Paired with a smooth 8-speed TorqueFlite automatic transmission and standard 4WD with an anti-spin rear differential, the Laramie Night Edition retains up to 11,610 LABs of towing capacity. Starting around $66,420 MSRP in the US, the 2026 Ram 1500 Laramie Night Edition strikes the ideal balance between blackout street presence, twin-turbo torque, and luxury truck comfort. Would you take this over a Ford F-150 Lariat Black Appearance Package or Chevrolet Silverado RST? Sound off in the comments below, tap subscribe for DRX Automobi, and we'll see you in the next breakdown.